February 2nd, the Mid-Michigan Lakers men's and women's bowling teams hosted their lone home meet of the 2017-18 season at Riverwood Resort in Mount Pleasant. The resort hosted several community college teams that Friday for a sport still relatively new to Mid-Michigan varsity athletics program.
This is our second official varsity. We had one season earlier that was, I guess we were on probation, or it was a club sport, you could say. And bowling overall has been growing quite a bit. It's one of the fastest growing sports at the high school level, so it's only fitting that we start including it here at Mid.
In the meet, the teams all play 3 standard bowling games with 10 frames, as well as 8 Baker matches, which consist of a team of bowlers rotating who bowls each frame, rather than an individual having their own set of frames. This creates more of a team element to the sport.
The biggest part with bowling, a lot of it is a mental game. You just have to keep them into the game, cheering on the other teammates, and realizing that, next week you might not be the star. This week you might not be the star. And it's a challenge for a lot of people.
A lot of people are known to go to casual bowling matches with friends and make them very competitive. The varsity bowling program offers young college students a rare opportunity to play the sport on a team competitively against other student athletes.
Well, it is on the rise, and I'm very happy that it's on the rise. And it means the world to me to be able to come here and compete and learn and become a better bowler and work on my teamwork and my communication skills. And I just love the entire journey. It's very healthy for me.
Rather than the common underhand style of bowling, some bowlers like Deontay utilize different techniques.
Most people call it two-handed bowling, and I pretty much developed it when I was 18 years old and I first started watching the professionals bowl on YouTube, and I was watching their techniques. I was watching Jason Belmonte, to be exact, and I took a lot of things from him as far as his walk and just bowling with 2 hands. So
the teams look to compete at the regional meet on February 16th at Northway Lanes in Muskegon, where a great performance would propel them to the NJCAA National Tournament.
I think overall we're trying to get to regionals, and we're trying to get past regionals, and we're just working on keeping our attitudes and everything in check when we're out there, and that's going to make us better as a team.
With just a few short weeks of the season remaining and the final frames approaching, the Lakers hope to play their best bowling of the year and attempt to advance and have a whole lot of fun as they do it.